let's just start the demo. This is made, so the job is completed. The starts 1 hour after. The AI sends friendly human text like at the perfect. All right, perfect. So I wanted to show you exactly what I did to create basically a full demonstration to host on my website just from a simple system like this using Lovable. So basically, I wanted to show a process of how this whole system works. So it's about automated Google review. So after meeting and the appointment goes, there's a delay of like an hour. Then an SMS is sent out from the business owner asking if the customer liked the service or not. And depending on if the response of the customer is positive or negative, the AI determines if it goes to path. If it goes positive, it sends a Google review. If the person is unhappy, the AI will detect that and make sure to not send the link, and so that internally. So that's all fun and games, but I wanted to have an actual demo of what it looked like on my website. So I'll show you exactly what the demo looks like. Let's just start the demo. This is made, so the job is completed. The starts 1 hour after. The AI sends friendly human text like at the perfect time, exactly like I just explained. Shows the whole process. Could you leave a review? If it's positive, if it's negative, flag for manager follow up. And if it's positive, well, we send a Google review link. This is what it's going to look like once the people click in their text message. If it's a bad experience, this is the path it will take. This is just an example, but it kind of showcases the whole thing in the presentation, what it can do in one tracker, and then the reviews increasing over time. So that's the whole demo basically. And then you can have a setup here with the book of free demo setup. And this is just the overview of my system and what the automatic Google review action does. So how did I do it exactly? And I did it in 2 simple prompts, literally. I went to Lovable, which is the software I use to create this specific thing. And then I sent an actual first mistake here of not the correct prompt I should have given. But now I basically went into ChatGPT, tell him, hey, send me back a system prompt that would allow me to turn this demonstration or Maribor into an actual demo on my website that I can host, and it showcases the whole thing. So the AI then generated a very detailed prompt, exactly like so. And then with the positive and final CTA and everything basically to make this demo live. So it taught for 14 seconds, it did the edits, it did the first version. I did not like the first version because I felt like the presentation and the steps shown are too fast. I feel they still are a little bit, so we could improve, but that's not the point of this video, it's just to show you exactly how you can do that also too. And then I sent another message right after to generate this second prompt. I sent him, hey, I don't like the presentation. I think it's too fast for certain areas. Please slow it down, and so that people can actually look at what the process looks like. And then once I did that, the ChatGPT just sent me back another prompt, exactly like so. And it slowed down everything, all the presentation, so it's even better right now. And basically, I got this free demo that I just decided to host on a subdomain to have the presentation and also the live showcase on my website to directly show exactly and clearly how my service does and what it does. So that was the main goal of this. So this is exactly how you can use Lovable. It creates website in like a second. It is super good to create funnels and just websites in general. There's also multiple templates from the community you can take there. So it's actually super, super good. Really like Lovable. It's super fast. I also made another project I'm going to show in another video. But this is it for today's video. This is exactly how you can do these types of demos for yourself or even for clients. You can even do calculators for specific revenue calculators or quote estimates for your contractors. You can do so much things with Lovable just to have some live features on your website. So this is exactly what I did today. If you'd like to see some more videos related to Lovable and what you can do and how the software works, I'd be happy to show you. That's it. Yeah, so leave your questions in the comments, and that's it. We'll see you in the next one.